The muscles of the tongue comprise both extrinsic and intrinsic muscle. The extrinsic muscle lies outside the tongue and moving it from oral cavity relativity, and intrinsic muscle within the tongue and altering the shape of the tongue. The extrinsic muscle is having four muscles: genioglossus, hyoglossus, styloglossus, and palatoglossus. First muscle is genioglossus. The genioglossus muscle lies near the midline. It arises from the superior genial tubercle, that is mental spine, behind the mandibular symphysis and just above the genioid muscle. From its origin, the fiber fan out as they passage backwards and upward. The inferior fiber are attached to the upper anterior surface of the hyoid body near the midline. Intermediate fiber passes backward into the posterior part of the tongue, and superior fiber extend forward to enter the whole length of the ventral surface of the tongue from the root to the apex, and intermingling with the intrinsic muscle. It means it's having three type of fiber: inferior fiber, which going to the hard body; intermediate fiber, which goes backward into the tongue; and superior fiber, which ascend forward to enter the whole length of the tongue. The genium glossa muscle having two action. First is protrusion of the tongue. Second is depression of the dorsal part of the tongue. And this muscle supplied by hypoglossal nerve and blood supply having lingual artery by the sublingual branch and facial artery by the submental branch. Second extrinsic muscle is hyoglossus. This muscle arises from both the greater cornu and front of the body of the hyoid bone. It runs to insert into the side of the tongue between the inferior longitudinal muscle medially and styloglossus muscle laterally. This hyoglossus muscle depresses the tongue. It's innervated by the hypoglossal nerve, and arterial supply drive from lingual artery through sublingual branch and facial artery through submental branch. Same like genioglossus. Third muscle is styloglossus. It arises from the stylar process anterolateral aspect and insert into the substance of the tongue and decussating with the fiber of hyoglossus. This muscle act as a pull the tongue upwards and backwards and supply by the hypoglossal nerve and blood supply by the sublingual branch of the lingual artery. The fourth muscle is palatoglossus. It arises from the palatine aponeurosis and passes to side of the tongue within the palatoglossal arch. Acting bilaterally, muscle narrow the oropharyngeal isthmus and can help in the raising of the tongue. Unlike the other muscle, this muscle is supplied by the central portion of accessory nerve through the pharyngeal plexus. It means vagoaccessory complex. Its blood supply drive from the ascending pharyngeal artery and ascending branch of the facial artery. Intrinsic muscle of the tongue, four groups: superior, inferior longitudinal, transverse and vertical muscles. The superior longitudinal muscles form a thin stratum of the longitudinal and oblique fiber lying just beneath the dorsum of the tongue. The inferior longitudinal muscle is a narrow band of the muscle beneath the inferior surface between the genioglossus and hyoglossus muscle. The transverse muscle fiber passes laterally from the median fibrous septum to the submucous fibrous tissue at the lingual margin. The vertical muscle fibers extend from the dorsum to the ventral aspect of the tongue in the borders of the anterior part of the tongue. When the superior and inferior longitudinal muscle contract, the tongue tends to shorten. In addition, the superior longitudinal muscle also pulls the apex and side upward to make the tongue dorsum concave, while the inferior longitudinal muscle pulls the apex down to make the dorsum convex. The transverse muscle contract to narrow and elongate the tongue, while contraction of the vertical muscle make the tongue flatter and wider. Acting alone in pair with endless combination, the intrinsic muscle give the tongue precise and highly varied mobility. The important not only in alimentary function but also in the speech function. All intrinsic muscle of the tongue supply by hypoglossal nerve and blood supply derived from the lingual artery.